Hello everyone, and welcome to the Breast is Best workshop. Well, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mackenzie Tavernier, and I decided to do my campaign on breast cancer awareness. Part of this campaign is designed to help raise awareness for breast cancer in both men and women between the ages of 18 and 60 years of age. The goal is to help inspire, empower, and change the lives of those who have been diagnosed, or who know someone that has been diagnosed. Breast cancer facts. There have been reports that 1 in 8 women in the U.S. will develop invasive breast cancer. It has also been reported that men are also susceptible of getting diagnosed with breast cancer. In 2019, it has been projected that there will be 2,670 new cases of invasive breast cancer in men. There have been discoveries that if someone is a carrier of the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes, they are at greater risk of being diagnosed with breast cancer. Learn about how to give yourself a self-breast exam. Self-breast exams are not only important, but they are free. All you have to do is do this at home when you have time. A lot of people like to do this in the shower or do this standing in front of a mirror. What it will do is it will help you go through a step-by-step process on how to check for lumps, skin dimpling, deformation, as well as other signs to look for. This type of breast exam will help you stay in tune with your body and what you might be able to expect. Self-breast exams step by step. It is important to try and do this at least once a month. What you can do by doing this self-breast examination is lifting up your arm so that you can look at both the armpit as well as the breast. While you are raising your arm, you're going to be using your other hand and you're going to be massaging your breast with the 3-finger method. The 3 fingers that you'll be using are your index finger, your middle finger, and your ring finger. And what you will do is you'll massage the breast to look for lumps. Be sure to massage up and down, massage wedges, and also in a circular formation. Look in the mirror for skin dimpling, as well as checking for other areas where there may be lumps. It's also good to check for change in skin color, texture, or nipple deformation, or any other leaks of fluid. We want you to know that you are never alone. Anyone can be diagnosed with breast cancer. And yes, it is scary. Anyone can be diagnosed with mild, slightly aggressive, or severe diagnosis. We hold support groups for people who know someone going through breast cancer and people going through breast cancer itself and all the different types of treatment that you may be going through at the time. There are counselors and people who want to help you. Just know that we are here to support you with whatever you need, whether it's helping you get to your doctor's appointments, talking to you one-on-one, or help be a friend to you. We care about you and want you to know that we will be there for you every step of the way. For some contact information, we have our Facebook site, as well as our Instagram page and Twitter feed at breastisbest.org. You can email us at breastisbestcampaign@gmail.com, and you can call us at our phone number, which is 951-555-2945 for any other details. We hope to help you, and we hope to help you change someone else's life or help you make changes to your own life. If you have any questions after the workshop, please be sure to stay seated and to raise your hand whenever you're ready. Thank you.